Welcome! In front of me I have SKAGEN Falster Gen 6 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and to turn it on, press and hold the middle button right here. Keep holding it until the SKAGEN logo appears on the screen. Once the logo appears, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And after the watch turns on, you should see the message tap to begin on the screen. Once you see it, tap on the screen to continue, and this will open the list of languages. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, tap on it to select it. Then tap on the check mark. As you can see, now we need to download and install the Wear OS application on our iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone and tap on search, then tap on the search bar and type in Wear OS. And once you type it in, tap on search and you should see this application on the list. Wear OS by Google. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the get button to download and install it. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the app, tap on start setup. Here you can agree to send the diagnostic data to Google if you want to. I'm just gonna tap on no thanks. Oh, never mind, we need to agree to the terms of use. So you can check the box to send the diagnostic data, but if you want to continue, you need to agree to the terms of use. And as you can see, we need to enable the Bluetooth. So I'm gonna tap on enable, tap on OK. And as you can see, the app detected our watch. So let's tap on it to select it. Tap on pair. Tap on confirm. Right here we can connect to the Wi-Fi network if you want to. If you don't want to, you can tap on skip to skip this step. If you want to connect to network, select the one from the list, tap on it, enter the password for the network, and then you can tap on join. And right here we can copy a Google account from our iPhone to our watch. This is useful if you want use the Google services on your watch, like Gmail, Google Play Store, and stuff like that. If you don't care, you can tap on use Wear OS without an account. But if you want to use those features on your watch, you need to select the Google account that is added to your iPhone. Then select it, and then tap on continue as the account. Enter the password to confirm that it's your account, and once you enter the password, it will be copied to your watch. I'm gonna tap on use Wear OS without an account for now. Come on, like this. Then we can tap on continue and allow the calendar access. If you want to see the events from your calendar, you need to allow the access to calendar. If you don't care, you can keep it denied. Tap on continue. Seems to be stuck. Let's wait. Okay, this time it went through. It went through rather. Next we have the notifications at a glance. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. If you want to do that, you need to tap on continue and allow the permission. If you don't care, you can keep it denied. I'm gonna allow it. Then we have the chat with friends. If you want to use this feature, tap on continue and tap on OK. If you don't care, you can tap on don't allow. And then we have the location. This is useful if you want to track something like your activities on the map. If you want to use this feature, tap on allow while using the app. Okay, once you see this page, you can tap on done and you should see the device page for your Falster Gen 6. Also on the watch you will see the tutorial. You can tap on Start Tutorial to go through it. I'm just gonna tap on Later to skip it. And as you can see, we can use our watch now. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.